ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Hi.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹಲೋ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪೂರ.
Can they hear me?
ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಉಲ್ಲಾರ?
ಹಲೋ ಸೋಲ್ಮೇಲು ತೋಜುಂಡೆ
ಭಾಸ್ಕರಣ್ಣ
ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು
ತೋಜುಂಡು.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೇನೆ ಅವು ಎಕ್ಕೋ ಬರ್ಪುಂಡು ಎಂಗಳು ಒಂಜಿ ರೂಮ್ ಉಡಿತ್ತಂಡ ಅಂಚ ಸೊ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಟು
Okay.
ಅದರ್ ರೂಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಗ್ಲ ಸೋಲ್ಮೇಲು ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. We are going to start our first class now. Okay, let's see. Can you unmute your video, everybody, so that we will.
Audio. భాస్కరಣ್ಣ.
No.
Only audio. Let them on their.
Yeah. Let's see all faces once, so that that will be recorded.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone is asking for class link.
Hi.
Just put.
You mean Zoom?
Yes. Prabhakara.
Oh, okay.
We
can
added
you post
everyone,
that?
right? Yeah, we added everyone to the group.
Yeah, you can share it again, no problem.
Yeah,
Okay.
I did.
Okay, welcome kids. It's nice to see such a wonderful, smiling, cute faces. All, to whatever the age. Welcome you all to this class. So, Shreevalli, do you want to talk anything?
No, Bhaskar, you continue. Okay. If we talk, then that is a waste of time.
Okay.
It's better to continue.
Okay. So, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Bhaskar Sherigar. I live in Andover, Boston. And I'm one of the committee member. So I attended a couple of such Tulu teaching classes and also taught some portion, and also part of the Tulu Lipi teaching and learning, all those classes. And some of you might have seen me. Okay, so this is let me share my screen. And we have a special student, that is Sam. So we will talk about him a lot later, and he has a lot of videos, and we'll share his videos. Let me just give some of the instruction in case if you have not seen. Okay, today I'll be talking in English, and once in a while as well as Tulu. But as we go along, let us talk only in Tulu, so that we will use this time to improve our Tulu and learn more about that. Okay, this is nothing but the information what we have sent up there. So, like the Zoom meeting details, and then the timing and the date and all. So some of the other information, like with the small kids, like elementary school grade level kids, we request parents to be there with them, so that they may not be able to read some of the things, because one of the requirement here is the kids should be able to read and write, but at least read, so that they can do the assignments and they can understand what we are talking, those kind of things. Then, as I mentioned, we have some theory part in each class, and then we have a practice. So we'll try to involve all the kids, all the participants in this exercise. And also, one of the main or important thing in this class is to have the homework. So whatever you learn every day, learn in this class, then for the next 7 days, you will have a homework for each day. It's a small, like maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. It is just like it's a fun homework, and you have to do that homework, and then it's basically you record or talk something or write something and then post it in a our homework app. Okay, we'll talk about that also at the end. So then for homework we have created 3 groups, and each group will have around 20 kids, and there will be 2 dedicated teachers from our AATA volunteers. They will be correcting, helping the kids who want any help in each group. So, and also we need a notebook and pencil and eraser because we would like to write a few things so that if you write and read, then you will learn better. Okay, and also at the end of the course, there is a project work, or there's an assignment that covers the entire, that should cover the entire session, what we do, and you present that. So we'll let you know how it works later. Basically, I have to do some kind of interview or a small presentation about any topic what you like. That you should do that in Tulu. Okay. Okay, then after that you will get a certificate from AATA. Okay, that's about the instructions, and like if you have any questions you can ask, but you can keep, if it's not important, relevant for now, you can ask at the end. That's also fine. That's okay. Okay, and in today's class we will see some of the details about Tulu language, its lipi or the script and its history, and some introduction to the grammar, the few terminologies. Then we will try to learn how to greet first in English, you all know that, and then we will see how to use that in Tulu. So we'll try to cover all the cases, like one special case in Tulu is, in general, if you have singular and plural, but in Tulu, we have another category that is with the respect. So this is common with all Indic languages. When I say Indic languages, that is languages based, they are derived from Sanskrit, Hindi, those languages. Then we'll have teachers and team introduction. Then we'll have a kids self introduction, and all kids will introduce themselves. Okay, so we will teach how to introduce so that themselves, and then they can talk, they can introduce themselves. Okay, so here and after that we'll let you know about the homework, and also we are going to use a app called Flip, and this app will be available in both the Apple Store as well as Google Store, and there will be a demo from one of our teacher. Then you are going to use that app so that there is a structured evaluation of the homework, and this app is a free app, and it is used by like thousands of schools in here in USA. So for school homework, so we are going to use that app. We will give details about that later. Okay, so okay, let's start with the history of Tulu language. So I don't know how many of you know about the Tulu language and its history. We all should be very proud of our Tulu language and the history. So as per some estimates, it is more than 2,000 500 years old. So we have some written or some proof that shows it existed for more than 2,500 years. So one of the oldest proof that we see right now is the inference of Tulu language in Greek literature. And Greeks, they were very good at arts, culture, and everything. And in their minds, their sketch, they used a portion, few section of that, a character that belongs to Tulunad. Tulunad for Greeks were known as Odora in that time, and that is the current Udyavara. It's near Udupi. So there are so many articles. These are all available in Wikipedia. You can just Google and find out. So here what I'm showing is a section of the Greek skit. It's called Shelton Mine. And there are so many theories saying that it may be a different version of the Tulu, or it may be different language, but most of the history experts, they think that this is Tulu language that's being used in that. Okay, that is the oldest history and how the language was developed. So Tulu is in Sanskrit is called as one of the Pancha Dravida Bhasha, that is one of the 5 Dravidian languages. So if you see the chart here, they all belong to something called Proto-South Dravidian. This is the language. And this is like, this structure may be around 2.5 to 3,000 years old history that shows this one. So in this, you can see how different languages are like developed, like there's a Tamil Kannada, then Tamil Kodagu, then like there's Tamil Malayalam, and then you have these are at the bottom row, what you see, these are the languages currently spoken. So Tulu is, there are so many branches of the Tulu. If you go to this Tamil, the main Tamil Kannada prototype of languages, but Tulu remained as an independent and very well-developed language over the course. So we all should be proud of this, our language. Okay, then some more things. I just giving some pieces of information, and as per one of the Portuguese traveler, Domingo Paes, he visited Vijayanagara kingdom. So the Vijayanagara kingdom, that's in Karnataka, and this was started by the people of Tulunad origin. And if you don't know much about this history, this Vijayanagara Empire, this was this was the second largest city in the world at that time, and it was also termed as this. It was also termed as the Rome of East. So these are all from Wikipedia. I just cut this and pasted here. You can look at those things there. And also some of the other information I wanted to share is Tulu Lipi, or the script. So the one here on the left side, what you can see, this is the Lipi, or the Tulu script. So we also had a class a couple of months ago, and there were around, I think, 40-50 people joined that, and finally we had around 23 people who were graduated from that, who came to the class without knowing anything about the Tulu script, but they were able to read, write, and do a project work where they have their own Tulu literature piece. Like some had poems, some had stories, some had some articles, some had their experience, those kinds. So they could write it. So that's how the class was. And also, I just also wanted to point out one more thing. There is a stone inscription that is near Manipal. It's called Manipura, and that. So this is a 12th century inscription where Tulu Lipi was seen, was used, and it is seen there. This is there it's in the temple. It's one of the, I think, the main temple area. This inscription is seen. Okay. So that is some brief history about that. And now coming to the literature, Tulu mainly existed for the long period of time without any major literary work. There's not much literature because Tulunad was, in most of the time, it was under some Kannada kings most of the times, and there was no like royal patronage. There was no support for the development of the literary work. So, but the earliest we could see was the 14th century's a literature called Tulu Mahabharata, and also there are thousands of this palm leaf Tulu script literature available in Udupi Krishna Bhat, Dharmasthala, Kollur Mukambika temple, those places. And we have actually our president Shreevalli and our team, we decoded some of these inscriptions and published that work. And it was published in one of the Sanskrit symposium also. So it's a little different. So there are a lot of literature and a lot of work that still we don't know what it is. So that's about these palm leaves. And also there is there are other recent books. One is called Si Bhagavato, and there is also called Kaveri. So with that, we'll end that history, and just wanted to give you a glimpse of like how rich the Tulu language is. So there are so many other languages, and they're all good, but our language, it's more special to us. We respect all other languages, and we want to learn our mother tongue so that we know our heritage, culture, history, all those things. So there are three parts of a language learning in this. So grammatically, like there is a phonology, then etymology, then the syntax. So basically, these are the three parts of the language learning process, where in phonology, you just study the sound of the alphabets, the patterns, how sounds, how the alphabets sound. And then etymology is that's how the sounds are collected and make a word, and how to pronounce that, those kind of things. And then the syntax or the sentence making. So syntax is basically, it is forming the sentence structure. So these are all common for all the languages. And we are going to follow the structure, but we don't want to make you bored by going detail into that, but we'll just mention what it is, and then we will directly go to the application part of that. So we'll know some basics about this, then how to use these in our conversation or learning through the process. Okay, and in this class, we are going to use a grammar book called A Grammar of Tulu Language. That was published in 1872 by Reverend J. Brigel. This was published in Mangalore, and Reverend J. Brigel was part of Basel Mission in Mangalore. And also we'll be referring a handbook of Tulu, that's how to learn Tulu, by Pradyot Hegde from Nitte University. So I have shared the first book in the group. You can just look into that. And also there's a dictionary if you need to know the meaning of any of the words, then we have a dictionary in AATA's online library. It's called Rani Abbakka Genada Chavali. That one. Okay. So you can refer to that. I sent those details also. Okay. So now with that, we want to start directly learning the Tulu language. Okay, in any language, like whenever you meet, we start conversation with simple greeting, right? So, for example, in let's start in English. So you can all see my share, right? You're seeing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, so like in simple greeting, when you meet somebody in the school or your corridor at home or in the market, you say hello or good morning. So how to say this one in Tulu? So in Tulu, you may be already knowing, some of you. It's called Solmelu. It has 3 syllables, Solmelu. It's called Solmelu. So it's hello, it's Solmelu. And also like good morning also, we say Solmelu. So, but if you want to know like a specific word in good morning, for good morning, that is in Tulu, it's called as Khandeda Edepulu. So, but it's little high five in advanced class, we can go for that. But for now, you can just use it as Solmel. Okay.
Wait, what's next?
Yeah. So yeah, good. You're very curious. Okay. And also, yeah, we'll go to the next one. Also, we can also greet as a namaskara. Namaskara. So this is namaskara is a common greeting that we use in all Indic languages like Sanskrit, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. There may be a little variation of that. Like in Telugu, it's called namaskaram, or in I think namaskaralu, or in Tamil it's namaskaram, like that. So, sorry, in the Malayalam namaskaram, Tamil it's vanakkam. So, but this also used. This is derived from Sanskrit. So you can use either namaskara or solmelu. So solmelu is our own Tulu word. So we recommend to use solmelu. Also, we can like once you say, you can just say solmelu when you meet somebody, or namaskara. But if there's a person, you can say his name also, like namaskara Rihan, or namaskara Shreevalli, or namaskara Diana. You can say with name. Okay, and next level, we can also refer the person with the relationship, or the relative. If you're meeting a relative, then you can say namaskara appa, namaskara amma, namaskara anna, those kind of things. So
Wait. So basically, you're saying we just add the real name to the end of namaskara?
yeah, you can you can say like that. You can say that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the verification.
Yeah. Okay. So is it clear for everybody? It's
Yeah.
Solmelu. Okay.
Solmelu.
And you will be doing a lot of these things. You can everybody say Solmelu?
Solmelu.
Yeah. Solmelu.
Bhaskar, they can say either solmelu or namaskara. They
Namaskara.
Yeah, you can say.
either
Yeah,
solmelu or namaskara.
yeah.
You need not say both.
Yeah, just one. Yeah. So the one in the
Namaskara.
yeah.
Namaskara.
Okay. Namaskara also. Okay. One of them. Okay. Solmel. Just to practice this solmel. So the one in the green box, that's the one we will use in our course, and because that is it's a pure, it's a complete Tulu word. Okay. Undu, onji, Tulu, shabda. Undu,
Wait.
onji, Tulu, shabda. So solmelu is purely a Tulu word. So let's use that one. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Somebody has a question.
Yeah. My question is, can we still say Namaskara?
Yeah, one of them. Yeah, you can say, you can still, if you want to say the same, we use both because, say, if you meet a Tulu person, then obviously he will understand Solmelu means it's Namaskara. But if you meet somebody, say maybe Sam, or he may not be knowing Namaskara too, or if you meet your somebody, some friend from Delhi or somewhere from Mumbai or from Punjab or Tamil Nadu. So if you say Solmelu, he may not know that. So in such cases, you can use Namaskar. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So there you can use Solmelu or Namaskar. You can say
Bhaskar,
Namaskar.
once let them unmute. Everyone, let them unmute and say solumelu and namaskara. All together.
Yeah. Can you all say Solmelu? Okay. Now namaskara. Good.
Very good. Okay. Now I have.
Okay. So if you know the first word, then half learning is done. Other things go so easily. Okay. Okay. So this is just saying hello, hello, hello to hello, or hello or good morning. That is Solmelu Namaskar. Okay. So next we'll go to little advanced, like simple greeting and also inquiry. Like when you meet somebody, you say hello or good morning. Then also you'll ask, how are you? Right? If you meet somebody, then you all that also, right? So you know, you already know what is hello or what is good morning. So hello is Solmelu, good morning is Solmelu, or Namaskar also. So now how do you say how are you? Okay. So we already said it is Namaskara. So how are you? So for that, we ask her, Encha Ullaru. Namaskara, Encha Ullaru.
Wait.
Yeah, any questions? So
Yeah.
or you can also use Solmelu, Encha Ullaru.
Wait.
Yeah, what is the question? Yeah.
My question is, how do you say when is lunch?
Yeah.
We will get there. We will get
Yeah,
there.
we'll get there. We'll get there. So we'll get there. So it's if it is in California, are you in California?
No,
Which area? Which place?
I'm in Texas.
Texas. Okay, it's tea time. There is no lunch there, I think. But okay. Okay, but yeah, we'll come to that. Okay. Okay, good question. Okay, but I'll tell you. But in suspense, it's called Vanas Yepa. Okay. We'll learn it later. Okay. We'll be learning that. Okay. We have one entire class for that, like conversation at home. Okay. So now, can you all unmute and say Solmelu Enchaular. Good, good. Okay, okay, cool. Cool. I think everybody, I
Encha,
think,
Bhaskarana,
Huh?
encha. Encha means how.
yeah, how?
Ullar,
Encha is how.
encha. Yeah, whenever you use how, that is encha.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this one, as we talked earlier, like you can say Namaskara, then name Enchaular. Okay. So you can say Namaskara, Reshma, Enchaular. So there are some, when you go for the advanced this thing, this is the simplest form. Like with the respect, we can add some suffix to the name. Those kind of things are there. We'll learn it later. But this is the simple form of it. Namaskara, Enchaular. Okay. So similarly, we can say Namaskara to the relatives. Like you can say Namaskara if you're talking to, say, your sister. Solmelu Akka Enchaular. Akka, you'll learn those words later. Akka is his sister. Okay. Okay. Now, suppose you are, it's very cold now, right? It's winter here. Suppose if you go to Florida, then there, suppose you meet our AATA president, Shreevalli. Somewhere you're walking on the beach and you found our president, then how do you wish? So it's a name, Namaskara, name, Enchaular. So Namaskara, our AATA president is Shreevalli. Namaskara, Shreevalli, Enchaular. Did you get it? Is it hard? Can you say all? Namaskara, Shreevalli, Enchaular.
Namaskar, Shreevalli.
Good, good. I heard somebody Solmelu also. That is
Very
good.
good.
So
Nice.
yeah.
Yanu Usharulle.
Yeah. We'll come to that. Okay, we'll just go one by one. So now we said hello, then how are you? Those two things, right? Okay. Shreevalli. Okay. Now there's one more famous person. There's one more former president who lives in Florida. Suppose you're walking, like you came out of Shreevalli's house and you found the next door, and that is another famous person, another president. Oh, it's not a president, he was a former president, and you meet him, then how do you greet him? Namaskara, Trump, Enchaular. You all know? I don't know, you know, Trump lives in Florida. I think Shreevalli's state. Okay, I don't know whether he's in the same
He's in
neighborhood.
Palm Beach.
I know.
Palm
Okay.
Beach.
Okay. So that is Namaskara, Trump, Enchaular. So now we are just going one by one. Like we said first, hello, then good morning. Now, hello, how are you? So Namaskara, Enchaular, the basic form. But if you are meeting a person, this is generic form. You can just use Namaskara, Enchaular. Just like casually you can say that. But if you are more close, or if you want to address, you want to more in-person kind of thing, then you use Namaskara, the name, then use the Enchaular. Okay. Okay. Then you met somebody else, say some another person. He's a Tulu. He also came to Florida, and say if you meet Dilip, yeah, Solmelu Dilip Anna Enchullar.
Itu akka.
Perfect. Yeah, you
Correct.
can use the relationship. Dilip Anna Enchullar. Okay, and also because you are in Florida now, you met Shreevalli, you met Trump, you met your friend, and by hearing all those things, there's one more person from Washington, D.C. came to Florida. And how do you greet her? Do you know who is that? That is Kamala Devi Harris. That's the Vice President of USA.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So,
बहुत अच्छी चीज होती है
okay. So,
आराम की नौकरी होती है honestly
Solmelu Kamala Akka Enchaular.
और अब प्रॉब्लम पता क्या होती है वहाँ पे कि ना
Okay.
स्टेट प्रोजेक्ट्स में ना कॉन्ट्रैक्टर बैठे होते हैं सारे और
Okay. So now you know how to address a person with respect and enchaular. Okay. So Namaskara Shreevalli Enchaular. Namaskara Trump Enchaular. Namaskara Dilip Anna Enchaular. Solmelu Kamala Akka Enchaular. Okay. So same thing, we can use it with the relations. So Solmelu Amma Enchaular. Amma means you all know Amma is mother, right? In Tulu. Okay. And then you can address your dad Solmelu Amere Enchaular. Then you can greet your grandfather in Tulu. We will learn these words, family and relationship and relatives and all in another class. This is just to get familiar with the syntax of this greeting. Okay. So like that. Then Namaskara Mama Enchaular. So there's some letters here with the different blue color, like Ameru. This is with respect Amere. So we'll talk little about that later when you go detail, like how to use these kind of like suffixes or the cases based on the respect and the person, those kind of things. Okay. So basically, now we know hello, how are you? And its equivalent Tulu word. So Namaskara Encha Ullar. Okay. So is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's say Solmelu to our vice president. Okay. Let's all say Solmelu Kamala Akka Enchaular.
Solmelu
Cool. Okay. Cool. Okay. And let's say one for relatives also. Let's say mother. So which one you will use?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So good. Okay. Now, okay, hello, how are you? This is what we covered so far. Okay. Solmelu Amma Enchaular. Solmelu Akka Enchaular. Solmelu Trump Enchaular. Okay. So is it clear? Do you see any difficulty in this? This is simple, almost cool, right? Okay, then I'll go to the next slide. Okay, so now we just said, hello, how are you? Okay, right? So let's say now, if you greet somebody, then, or if somebody greets you in Tulu, like, say, for example, in English, if you greet good morning, then how are you? Then they'll respond, right? How do they respond?
Yeah.
They'll respond saying that, good morning, I'm fine, how are you? Right? That's a typical, or I'm good, how are you? I'm doing good, how are you? That's a courtesy. That's how you respond, right? In English. Okay, so now you know how to greet in Tulu. Can you say how to greet in Tulu? For the first one, it's a greeting, right? Good morning, how are you? How do you greet in Tulu?
I respond in Tulu.
No, yeah. How do you?
Solmelu.
Namaskara,
Yeah.
Encholar.
Solmelu encholar. Very good. Very good. Very good. Solmelu encholar. Right? Solmelu encholar. So now in response for that is, if you are saying me Solmelu encholar or good morning, how are you? I'll say good morning, I am fine, how are you? Right? That's a courtesy. So for good morning, you'll say Namaskara encholar. And the response to that is Namaskara, that is hello or a good morning. If somebody says hello, you are also saying hello, response. And then you say, I'm fine. How are you? Right? Yan ushar ulle, ir enchullar. It's getting little like some more words, right? Okay. So it is Namaskara, yan ushar ulle, ir enchullar. Okay. So that's one way. And other word what you use? Solmelu enchullar. And you can respond to that, say Solmelu yan usharulle ir encha ullar. Is it becoming difficult? No, right? There are two more words.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Can you all say now, say Solmelu, like somebody said, I'll say, okay, Namaskara enchullar.
The answer.
Yan ushar ir encholar.
Good. Okay. Okay. So I think I want everybody to say that word. Materla, everybody has to say that. Namaskara, yan usharulle, ir encholar. Okay.
Namaskara, yan usharulle.
Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. One more time. Yan, I will use solmelu. Okay. One more time. Yan solme kalasube. Okay. Solmelu encholar. Okay. Cool. Okay. This is good. So now we are keep on adding few more words. So and learning. So first we learn hello or the good morning. Then you learn how are you. Then now you are learning how to respond. Right? Solmelu encholar. So now we're responding for that. Solmelu, Yan Usharulle, I am fine. How are you? Irenchullare. Right? Okay. Okay, so this is generic. And now, if you're using a name, so we know, you all know, we just talked about our AATA president Shreevalli in Florida. So if you meet Shreevalli again now, you should be able to respond to her, right? Without she saying something. So how will you do that now? When you meet Shreevalli in the Florida, you'll say, now, Solmelu Shreevalli enchullare. You are asking now. Now, because you already know, you already greeted, you learned about that. Now you will ask, you are not responding now, you're just asking, Solmelu Shreevalli enchullare. Okay, good morning. Good morning, Shreevalli. How are you? Okay. Okay.
ಹುಷಾರುಲ್ಲೆ
Okay.
ಭಾಸ್ಕರಣ್ಣ ಒಂಜಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಉಂಡು ಛಾಯರಾವ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಯಾನ್ ಉಲ್ಲೆ ಎಲ್ಯ ಉಲ್ಲರ್ ಉಲ್ಲಾರತ್ ಉಲ್ಲರ್ ಇಜಿಂಡ ಉಲ್ಲರ್ ಉಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂಚ ಎಲ್ಯ ಲಾತ್ ಲಾ ಅವು
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So that's we actually discussed about this. Kelavu variation is there. Like there are, I think, 7 to 8 types of pronunciation and some word changes, changing the words, its pronunciation, and those kind of things. We try to use the one which is most used and most common thing. So again here, ulla, then you can make, if with respect, you can say encha ullar is there, encha third person also, encha uller, you can also, the other persons, then for the third person and all, you can ask like that. So we'll see that later. So this is in the basic form. So these greetings and the responses you can use anywhere, everywhere. This is the simplest form of that. But when you learn more and more, then we can add the complexity to this with like with the respect or the plural, singular, then within the different form, etc. Okay. Okay. So for that, how do you respond? So like Solmelu Shreevalli enchullare, that's the question. You greeted her, then how do you respond to that? Solmelu yan usharulle Shreevalli irenchullare. Okay. So this with the name. So we saw the general form, either use namaskara or the Solmelu. Then with a person, we can use the name, and then you can, like if Shreevalli asked namaskara enchullare, then how do you respond?
Solmelu yan usharulle Shreevalli irenchullare.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Irenchullare. Okay. So now so again, our friend Solmelu Trump enchullare. So then, suppose Suppose Trump asked you, Solmelu Rihan, enchollaru. So then how do you respond?
Solmelu yan usharulle Trump ఈరెంచున్నారు.
Okay.
There is
Okay.
another Bhaskarana. There is a Tanma is saying Yan Saukya. That is also we can
Yeah,
use.
yeah. You can
Saukya.
use that. Okay. Yan Usha, I used constant Usharullan. You can use Sauke, Yan Sauke, Yan Kshema, Yan Edde. You can use those are the other equivalent words. You can use the Yan Usharulle, Yan Edde, Yan Kshema, Yan Sauke Ulle. So those are all, we can use those words, okay? So, yeah. We can use that. If you are already using that, you can use that. But so let us stick to one. So this is commonly used. Okay, Yan Sauke Irencholla. That's just another word. Yan Kshema Ulle Irencholla. So like that, you can use that also. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Okay, those are equal. Those are the words. They have the same meaning.
Yeah.
Like synonyms. These are
Yeah, synonyms. Yeah, correct. Yeah, but in literature, they may be used in the different context, different places, different with the different, slightly different meaning. But overall, the general meaning is they're like synonyms. They can use. Same. Okay. So yeah, similarly, our friend Dilipanna is there. Solmil Dilipanna enchollaru. Then yeah. Solmelu Yanu. If Dilipanna asked you, how are you? Enchollaru. Namaskara enchollaru. Then you will respond saying that Solmelu Yanu Sharulle Dilipanna Irenchollaru. So similarly, another example I'm giving, our favorite vice president. She's like Indian origin person. Her parents are from Tamil Nadu. So her mother is from Tamil Nadu. So that's why I used her name. Okay, anyway. Then if she asks enchollaru, Shreevalli enchollaru. If she asks, then you will say Solmelu Yan Usharulle Kamala Akka enchollaru. We are using her as Akka, Kamala as a very like close relative. But okay, when we use her designation as vice president, we have to use some adjectives. So we will learn those things later. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you clear with these? Now we have learned three things. So in step by step, you're increasing complexity. Solmelu, enchollaru. That's the question. And how to respond to that. Yan Usharulle, Irenchollaru. Solmelu, Yan Usharulle, Irenchollaru. Or with the name, or even with the you can use the relatives also, like Amma Irenchollaru, Anna Irenchollaru, those kind of things. Okay. So yeah, if you we will be sharing this slides. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕಡಪಡುಪ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪಾಡುವ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಅವೆನ್ you can refer this and you can take print out or refer this. Also this is being recorded and this will be there and you can use this. So in the every slide there is something highlighted in the green box, so that is the one we will be using generic. Okay, it's like Solmelu enchollaru. If somebody asks, like Solmelu Yan Usharulle Irenchollaru. Okay. So if you want to add, if you need to address a close person, then you can ask a name. Okay, or you can have whatever. If you are talking to relatives, then you can use the relationship. Okay. Okay. So those two parts we talked about that, right? Like we started with hello or the good morning. How are you? Then we responded to that. Good morning. I am fine. How are you? Right? Two parts. But yeah, but the conversation doesn't end there, right? If you don't conclude that, like when you say good morning, how are you? Then obviously you will respond saying that good morning, I'm fine. How are you? So then the conversation will end there. So if you abruptly stop that, how are you? Then it is not nice. So generally you will have a concluding response greeting saying that I am fine too, because there's a question here, right? Said good morning, how are you? A question. Then for that you responded good morning, I am fine. How are you? Right? There's a question now, right? So you need to respond for that, so that you have to conclude that conversation, like, right? So I am fine too. Thank you. Right? So you respond this, I'm fine too. I'm good too. I'm super too. I'm excellent. I'm awesome. So use those kind of words, right? Or you say, you can use those kind of words, right? Or even here also. So I'm exceptional. I'm very fine too. Those kind of words, okay? So we'll just restrict to the I'm fine too. Then thank you. So you will conclude like this. So we learn all these things. Now let's see how Shreevalli and Reshma will converse. Now Reshma, she lives in Canada, and she went to Florida and she met Shreevalli. So how will be their conversation? Can anybody tell what will Shreevalli ask?
Please go ahead, Akshay.
Yeah. Can anybody? Yeah.
Anyone can. Yeah, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Akshay, unmute. Okay. Adya. Yes.
Solmelu.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. For that
Okay.
answer, Akshay can answer that. Akshay was.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Let's see. 1 second. Okay. So. Okay. So you will say. Shreevalli will say Namaskara in Chollar or Solmelu in Chollar. Okay.
Reshma will respond.
Okay. How will Reshma will respond for this now?
ನಾನು ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲೆ ನೀರು ಹೆಚ್ಚುಳ್ಳಾರು
ನಾನು ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲೆ
Right? See, you all got it. See? Yeah, that's awesome. Right? Say, Reshma will say, Namaskara, Yan Usharulle, Irenchullaru. So conversation did not end there, right? So there's a question. There's a question mark. Irenchullaru. So you have to respond to that if there's a question, right? Otherwise, she will feel bad, right? Okay, that's not a nice manner. So then what will Shreevalli say? I am fine too. Thank you. How will you say that? Yeah, say Darsh.
Darsh, unmute Manple.
Yan Usharulle.
Okay, that's a guess. Okay.
Yeah, good. Good try.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so yes. So yeah, Yanla Usharulla. So,
Yeah.
Solmelu. Say, Solmelu we use for wishing as well as thank you also. Okay. In Tulu. Okay. So, Shreevalli will say, Yanla Usharulla. So, this says Yanla La is stressed. La is equal to 2. Okay. Yanu la ushar ulle. Solmel. You can stop at that yan la ushar ulle. You can stop that, but it's courteous to say solmelu so that it becomes, there's a conclusion. There is a thank you. Thank you for asking. It's equivalent. Thank you for asking, or those kind of things. Okay. So solmel. So you can keep it in the simple form like this. Okay. So Shreevalli will ask Namaskara. In Chaular, Reshma will say Namaskara. Yan Usharulle. Irencholar. Then concluding response will be Yan la Usharulle. Solmel. Okay. Okay. Shall we all repeat this one once? What will Shreevalli ask? Yeah. Let's all. Namaskara. Chollara. Okay.
Yanla Usharulla.
Yanla Usharulle. Okay.
Five
Okay.
1 hour and ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂಜಿ ಎಂದುಕೊರ್ಕ
Oh, okay. Okay. So this is self-introduction. Okay. So sorry. Oh, 1 hour and
1 hour and ಒಂದು slow poem.
Okay. So this is part of the homework, self-introduction. Okay. I think we need more time.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you have a homework for self-introduction. So, okay, I think quickly we'll go over this one. Okay. What is your name? English, you will say that. My name is Anya. Right? This how you answer. Okay. So in Tulu, you'll ask Irena Pudar Enchina. Okay. What is your name? So you can see the color here. You can see that you are. So, okay. So, see, between English and many other languages, there is no word-to-word translation. Okay, if you see, what is your name? So, when you respond to that, the question is, Irena, then comes Pudar. Pudar is the last, is the name, right? Pudar means name. Enchina. Enchina means what? So this like messed up, right? What comes at the end? Irena, your comes at the middle. So this is specific to almost all the Indic languages, as well as I think some other I don't know how it is in Spanish. I think, or some of these European languages also have these kind of. Okay, so this you will get from the practice. So, what is your name? It's when they translate it to Tulu, it will be Irena Pudar Enchina. Your Irena, that's your Pudar name. What? So it translates to that. Okay. So then similarly, okay, for that you have Irena Pudar Enchina. The response to that is answer is Yenna Pudar Anya. Say this is my name is Anya. Okay. So if you see this, like Irena becomes Enna. So they go together. Pudar So the question as well as answer, they'll be in the same, the positions, the parts of speech, right? The words, they remain in the same position for question and answer in Tulu, but here between English and Tulu, they change. Okay. So, okay. So, okay. Similarly, what is your mother's name? My mother's name is Reshma. Okay. So again here, Irena, it starts with your Irena, Ammana Pudar Enchina, Enna Ammana Pudar Reshma. Okay. Okay. So this, then for dad, then you can for brother, so then younger brother, those kind of things. So this is part, just I gave this one as an example for the homework, and this is the homework you are going to do this week. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, the homework. Okay. I hope you learned many words, and now it's a time for doing homework. So homework, we have, as we mentioned, we have homework for every day. It may be around like maybe 2 minutes to 5 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on the homework. Like for Monday, you have like general greeting. You have to practice say the general greeting 5 times. Solmelu irencholar. Solmelu amma encholar. So that 5 times, and then you have to submit that assignment. So that assignment to be submitted in an app called Flip app. Okay. So we will post these assignments. So parents, please help them to do what it is. Like basically, it is greeting and self-introduction, greeting and introduction. This is what we are planning for the first week. Okay. So now we said we are going to use Flip app. So our
this is for the
joint
parents.
secretary,
Actually.
yeah. This is basically for the parents, just to
Parents.
download that app and then use how to use that. Okay, there are some instructions here. So we are going to use this Flip, not of using WhatsApp, but this is a very common and popular free app where most of the schools, they're using this for submission of the homework, and we would like to use that. And it's we tried some sample this thing. It's really very good. So one of our teacher, volunteer, Ranjani Asaigoli, she is going to show you about this. Okay.
It's very easy. There's nothing
Yeah.
difficult.
Okay. So this is end of class 1, but that is a demo. Okay. And if you need some advanced study material, we have it here, the tabular form, like with the different relatives, how to use this. So try to use this also. And also we have different cases for relatives and all, and also more advanced this thing. And basically, just wanted to tell you about this. This is the structure of the class, what you're going to teach. Today is the introduction. Then we will have vowels, consonants, parts of speech. Then we have sentences, nouns, pronouns, verbs, etc. Of those things. So we are not going to deep in this. We are just going to touch upon these things and then just use what is required for day-to-day's conversation. Similarly, tenses. So the first 4 classes will be really knowing about the Tulu grammar, and then these are the then next we have like application of the grammar, like we want to have like body parts, then a conversation at home, then those kind of things. Then you have numbers, calendar, weather, season, those kind of things. Then we'll have a session for conversation at home, family, then those kind of things. Then we have conversation at market, grocery store, school, etc. Those kind of things. And finally, you will submit the presentation. Okay. So with that, I'll stop sharing.
Bhaskarana, once give them what the exact homework they have to do. Encha ullaru, Yanusharulle, Solumelu. Then
Yeah.
the name. Enna Pudar. My name is
Yeah.
so and Enna Ammana Pudar, Enna Pappana Pudar. That is the assignment, okay?
Yeah. Okay. We will post it in the this one. Okay. Group.
WhatsApp. Mhm.
Yeah. We'll post in the WhatsApp, and also I will share this one. The slide, it is there in that also. Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
that
So
Flipkart app also, we can post that in the WhatsApp. If kids are bored,
yeah,
they
we
are already, it's 1 hour.
no. Let it's okay. I think this should be quick. Okay. So just wanted to we wanted to do it more interactive today. But I think it takes more than what we thought. So yeah, for today's class, just practice greet and response and conclude those things. And then every day, parents, please help them to do their homework every day. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes by end of the day, you submit it. And now Ranjani will tell how to use the app. It should be quick, okay?
Bhaskar,
Okay.
the app is called Flip. The learning, the Flip makes learning engaging with the app. Okay, if you just
Yes.
go to Flip, it says backflip exercise. Wrong.
Oh,
wrong
okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think we are going to send the link. Thanks.
Yeah,
Bhaskar.
link. We'll share the link.
And
Okay.
also, I think we need the code to join the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we will send the details in the WhatsApp
Sure,
because I will show quickly. I'll show the details little bit. So Bhaskar and I am sharing.
Origin. Okay. That's okay.
Aren co-host malpule.
No, okay.
Meeting Budorchi, 2 నిమిషాలు ఆగుండు. I would encourage you guys to know how to.
This is just
please hold on. If you can, please hold on. This will avoid like lot of questions back and forth later.
Yeah. You should be able to do that now. Okay.
Okay, all right. So this is how the flip, it's called flipgrid.com. If you visit this website, or you can even download the app on your Android or Apple phone, we will post the link to download the app. And once you go there, we will share the code and link to this group. So we have created a group called AATA Bale Tulu Paatherga. So under this group, we will have different topics. So for each day's homework, and we will be dividing the class into different groups. So each group will be we have created a topics based on those groups. So for 5th Feb, that is tomorrow's homework, so we have this class. So whoever the students in this group, you can go here, and once you click this link, you can record your homework. Just click on this record button and you can record the homework. And when we see the homework will look like this. I'm just going to quickly share this. And then
you can play that so that okay.
This is the recorded homework. And then as a teachers, volunteers, we will review that homework and post a comment based on each of the, if there is a mistake, we will correct it, we will review it. And similarly, we will see all the responses here. Okay. And just when we share the link to this, copy this, close this. What you will see is let me, 1 second. So if I paste that link on the web page here, it will show up like this. So you will need either a Google ID or Microsoft account. You can just go with that. You click on this. You need an email ID to join, and you choose and enter your email ID and the password, and it will sign you into the platform, and you will see the homework. And then you can just go ahead and record and post your homeworks. That is all. I think you should be able to figure it out. If there are any questions, we will provide all the links and links to this topic and the website link in the WhatsApp chat.
Yeah, Ranjani, can you play one of them so that they can hear?
Yeah, sure.
Or Sanvi's also is okay.
Sanvina undu.
That's okay. Anything is fine. Okay.
Yeah. Amulpandu. So this is a simple one, but each day for homework, you just record a video and post it.
And also sometimes the son
The kids belong to. We need to know which group the kid belongs to. Is it to post the homework?
Yes, Bhaskar, we will be posting that, Ate.
Yeah, we'll post it today. Okay, we'll post it today by tonight.
Yeah. So we will have for each day, we will have different topics created. So you post it under that. And then again, we will know who did the homework, review Malpana, and it will be easier.
And if you guys have any question, you can call us, you can text us.
Yeah, message, yeah.
Yeah, anything. We are here to help.
Okay, and
Yes.
also I would like to introduce our team. So
that it is too late, Bhaskar, for kids. They might be exhausted.
Yeah, just I'm just showing the I'm showing the pictures. Okay, so we have Ranjani Akka, you saw her, and then we have Shreevalli, and we have a very young teacher in our team, that is Diana.
Diana left, I think.
Okay. Okay. Oh, she's here. Okay.
Diana,
yeah.
My computer was slow, sorry.
Yeah. Diana.
Yeah, this is
okay.
Diana.
Then we have Reshma.
Hello, everyone.
Okay. Then we have Jagdeesh, Dr. Jagdeesh.
Hello.
From California.
Jagdeesh namone tojuji.
Hello.
Hello. Then we have, who else we are missing?
Prajwal is missing, I think.
Yeah, okay.
Ratnakarana is missing, I guess.
Okay, that we are missing. Then also we are going to take help from Pooja Akka also.
Pooja Akka is here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then okay. I think that's all we have right now here, this many. So, Bhaskar Ritesh, Arla, he said he will help us.
Okay, Ritesh is not here today.
And then, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's about today's class. So, is there any questions? So, today is simple, and if you have any questions, you can ask now, or you can ask in WhatsApp group.
Inkonji question ittundu. Like namma jokli encha divide malpuara as per their age, because it will be very difficult for 12 age and say for example 7 age to go with the same pace. Will the smaller kids be able to pick this up?
Yes, they pick more than the older kids.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
They'll be
yeah,
faster.
like first grader should be able to
Correct.
pick up
Pick.
very easily onwards, because most of our exercise and class teaching is meant for, like, if you can read, you should be able to like catch up easily and converse.
ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂಜಿ ಒಂದು ಲಿಪಿ ಇತ್ತೆ ಎಂದು ಪೂರ ನಿಕುಲು ತೊಜಾಯಿರತ್ತೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮಾತ ತೊಜಾಯಿರ್. ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಮೈ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಎಂಕ್ ಪಂತಿನ ನೆನಪು ಪಂಡ ತುಳು ಲಿಪಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆ ಮಲ್ಪುಜಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಕಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುತಲ script undu, like we can learn.
Even that.
We just finished our batch of Tulu Lipi.
Yeah, that is what. So pandaga avu encha pandaga history encha gottaini pandaga epa find out aini ki netta script available undu anondu.
Okay, so
long back
it was when Basel mission came to Mangalore, basically India. So they wanted to spread the Christianity there and the religion, but it may be a kind of a controversial word, but that's the main purpose of they came there, and they wanted to spread that. They wanted to print, they want to publish. So there were many Tulu Lipi was there, and Tulu was taught in basically in schools, but basically home schools. Most of the thing, like parents to teach son, those kind of neighbors, those kind of things. And also it remained with the elite Brahmins, because those are the one who were doing the Vedic rituals, and it was written in Tulu Lipi. And you may be surprising to hear that the Om symbol you see in Sanskrit, that is derived from Tulu Lipi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this existed.
If you, Bhaskar, 1 minute. If you see Talegari, most of the Talegaris are written in Tulu Lipi. Those are Sanskrit. Words written in Tulu Lipi.
Yeah. So one of
Tulu Lipi. Okay.
Yes.
See, one of the because this palm leaf decoding we have done, where Shreevalli and all is Lalita Sahasranama, right? So that is Sanskrit written in Tulu Lipi.
Vishnu Sahasranama.
Sorry.
Yeah, Vishnu Sahasranama. So many. We did so many other work also. One Kodavuru work we did, and one another that is what is the Indrali. Another one is Nadasudha, Vedasudha, something. Another one. Yeah, those are all Sanskrit.
Jnanasudha. Yeah.
Jnanasudha, correct. Those are all written in Tulu Lipi, but they are all in Sanskrit. Yes. And another Bhaskarana, those Bashal mission came to Mangalore, right? They have created a Kannada printing press. So our Tulu Lipi gone away. Kannada came forward.
They used Kannada because they want to print. They did not want to spend a lot of like printing press and all this. Those are all handmade at the time, right? Those things. So they invested in one script, that is Kadamba, or we call it as Kannada. So it's a it's called as Kadamba, and then it's adopted by Kannada for Kannada. Then it's called Kannada Lipi, like that. So that is the Lipi they used in that. So all Tulu literature, actually the first Kannada book was published from Mangalore, and first newspaper was published from Mangalore. Kannada newspaper was published from Mangalore, but also first Tulu book also. I think it's basically some like song, the praising, a devotional song about the Christ. That is the first publication they did. So, and if you see, I shared one grammar. So not only that, they did lot of work, and very systematically based on the Tulu language. The Reverend Brigale, he has written the grammar. Tulu. That's what we are going to follow. So, and it's such a.
If she is much interested, I can send our link. we have Tulu Lipi. You remember? I have one Tulu Lipi article wrote in our site. It is there in our site. I can send that link.
Please send it.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
please
can read. Yeah,
it's
you
there in the
have
website.
most of the information there. Yeah, I will send in the group. You can, whoever
Oh,
interested.
thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so yeah, this is
And
just
another story, Bhaskarana, if you have time, we can tell that story too.
yeah, I know.
Our Tulu Lipi remained, that Bhaskarana said already, in the Brahmins, in the hand of Brahmins, we didn't get any Rajashraya here in Mangalore or anywhere. So all they went to Kerala. In Kerala, they got respected, and they, while going there, these Brahmins took all their written books with them.
Tulu Brahmins.
All written in Tulu.
Yeah.
Then Kerala government took all of them, and now in the Kerala library, if you go there, but they are not giving us now back. All the records are there.
Okay.
Whatever they took, these Brahmins, it is all taken by them and Kerala. Then they altered our Lipi, Tulu Lipi, to Malayalam.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
it is called Tulu Malayalam Lipi. If you see Malayalam, you can see it is close to our Tulu Lipi.
Yeah, few letters I could see. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. They altered our Lipi, existing Lipi. They altered. They made it Tulu Malayalam.
Tulu Malayalam.
Yeah. Then there was that is why this Tulu is one of the Pancha Dravidian languages. Everyone got recognized. Only Tulu remained. Tulu didn't get recognition. Yeah, that's why we are fighting
official
for that.
language.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And
This
for a
is a
long
little
time,
small history. It has so many things.
Yeah.
If you go and if you go study, there is a lot of things
Yes.
about
Yeah.
Tulu.
Yeah. Please do share the link. Yeah.
Yes,
for
I
a
will.
long time, there was a myth that Tulu didn't have a lipi. That's what people confused.
Yeah, that is a myth.
Yeah. So that
these Brahmins who went for puja in Kerala,
go ahead, Bhatt, go ahead. Yeah.
Local people are surprised. These people are reading, writing. They didn't have a script. Then they slowly saw that and adopted that. In fact, Malayalam is a combination of Tulu and Tamil. If you look at the two writings, you see them
correct.
hybrid.
Yeah, it was also called some form. It's Tamil Malayalam Tulu script, something like that. Okay.
Yes.
And the also, thing is, it didn't get Rajashraya, the kingdom. That is the reason it fell
King's
out.
patronage.
Yeah.
And also, see, how did we get to know all those things of late? There is one person called Punduru Venkataraja Punichitaya.
Another person is a Caldwell. He is the one did all the research, and Caldwell is the person told there is
the
a
dictionary
lipi
also.
Dictionary Caldwell's
also.
dictionary you can see.
So he was from our Karnataka.
No, he's from Germany.
Germany.
Okay. Oh.
And I don't know who is talking here. Here, if you see now, here we have Samuel. He's born and brought up here. He's a white He's European American. He speaks Tulu so well. Sam Paatherga.
He's there online.
Yeah, he's here. Sam Ullara.
I'm here. It's really cool that there's online classes now. For such a small language, so that's awesome.
Yeah, he has a lot of videos, short videos, 5-6 minutes. We'll share it. Really awesome
videos.
And okay, that's awesome. Thanks, Sam, for joining.
Thank you.
Sam.
Thank you. Yeah.
Time tickanda join on the pule.
Okay.
Oh, anda. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we are just talking. If you guys are not interested, you have something else, you can drop up. Like we actually ended at 5:10. Ours is around 70 minutes. Class.
Next time onwards, we will follow the time. Today is the first class. Sorry for taking a lot of time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
If there is no other question, then we can Agapuga.
Agappuga.
We can.
Yes.
Keep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Asaigoli.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye,
Maataregla.
Sam. Bye.
Maataregla bayada eddepulu.
Bye, Aded.
Melu.
Solmelu.
Hello.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you. Pura janakla
Good
mast
night.
thanks. Ranjani,
Yeah.
Jagdeesh, Dhyana,
Solmelu.
Reshma, Bhaskar and alike and class.
Okay.
Yes,
I
yes.
think we would have a little faster. I don't know how kids are
Next time
smart.
ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂಚೂರು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಯಿ ಒಂತೆ ಒಂತೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಂತದ ಒಂಚೂರು ಒಂತೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಂಡ ಸರಿ ಆಪುಂಡು.
Okay. Because
ಎನ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಇತ್ತುಂಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಪರತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇನ್ನಾಗ ಜೋಕ್ಲೇನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಪ್ ರೂಮ್ ಪಾಡ್ದು ಒರಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆ ಬರ್ಪಿನಕ್ಲೇನ್ ಪಾಡ್ಲೆ ಅಕಲ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟು ಅಂತೆ ಅಕುಲ್ ಪನಾಡು ಒರಿ ಪನ್ಪಿನಲ್ಲ ತೂಲಿ ಬೊಕ ಅಕ್ಲಿಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ಪನ್ಲೆ ಪಂಡ ಅಕಲ್ನ ಲಿಪ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಪುಂಡತೆ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಎಂಚ
Vinita,
yeah,
yeah, that
50 ಜನ ಉಳ್ಳೇರ ಜಾನಕಿ ಅಕ್ಕ 53 ಜನ ಉಳ್ಳೇರ ನಂಕ ಪರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮಲ್ಪೆರೆಗೆ
70.
ಪರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅತ್ತಿರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಲ್ತರಡತೆ ನಡು ಅಪಗ
that is what I told Bhaskar
ಬೋರ್
20 people the group mantade
Okay.
that is better I
We'll do that.
ನಲ್ಲ
Yeah, today's was mainly.
ನಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಯ್ಡ ಯಾನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಅಪ್ಪೆ ಬಡಿಸ್ರಿ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ
Okay. Sure. Yeah, sure.
ಏತ್ ಜನ ತಿಕ್ಕುವತ್ತುದು ಎಂಕುಲ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಯ್ಡ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ 10 ಜನಲ ಮಲ್ಪೋಲಿ ಅಂಚ.
Yeah. Okay.
we can talk too. Even
actually,
we can talk personally. We can call and talk.
We can do whatever she has suggested. Actually, that was there in the plan, our plan. But we wanted to like show something. Undate greet da. Then close the share. Then
ವಾಪಸ್ ಲ ಬರ್ಪೇರತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತೋ ಜವರ್ ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಚ ಪಣ್ಣಿನಿ ಪಡ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಬೋರಾ ಪುಚಪಗ.
Correct. Okay. We will make that either group or individually we can try to involve them. So initante presentation Suruta, maybe we thought it is good info for the people and kids those who didn't know. So some portion we wanted to share that. So next class onwards we'll share the text and then we'll involve the kids to write, read, then practice anja. One by one.
Yes.
ಎಂಕಿ ಇನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ನಿ ಸೊಲ್ಮೇಲುಲ ಪನ್ಪೆರಂದ ಅಂಚದಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ ಉಂಡು ತುಳುಟಂದು ಇಜಿನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತುಂಡು ಅಂಟ ಸೊಲ್ಮೇಲುಲ ವರ್ಡ್ ಉಂಡು ಪಂಡದ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು.
Okay, good. Uncle, I'll share you a video that's from the history of Solmelu, how that word. I think it came from this thing Hebrew.
Dr. Vivek has one.
ಅರೆಡ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ತುಳು ಕಲ್ಪೋಡು ಅವ್ ನನ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ.
Basically.
One minute.
Basic ತುಳು.
1 minute. Marcelo, are you there? He is from Ecuador.
Honduras.
Hi, Marcelo.
Hello, Marcelo. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Enchollaru. Unmute Mantapanle. Enchollaru.
He is learning Solmelu.
He's referring to the notes.
Yeah.
Yanu Sharulle. He is from another from Honduras. Yeah. We have one Sam and one Marcelo here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I think he's trying to. That's okay. You can practice at home. That's fine. Thanks. So just I want to tell you about the Solmelu. So it came from Hebrew, as per Dr. Vivek Rai. He's one of the linguistic researcher, and in Hebrew it is called shalom, and that's also used in Persian also as a salam, right? Salam. Or something like that. Persian thing, or Turkey also it's similar to that, similar word. So it was from Hebrew, shalom. So then it came to coastal area through the traders and the Jews people, like Parsis, they came here. Then Jews came long way, I think around 2,000 years ago they came here, but this transition happened over last, I think, as per Dr. Vivek Rai, this happened over last 400 to 500 years. This word came, and it's also used in our Daiva kolas, right? So it's also being used in that to address the Daivas, the demigods, gods, and all those things. Yeah, I'll share that video. It's interesting. A 5 minutes video. It's good.
Recently, someone shared that with us.
Yeah, yeah.
His daughter's name is also Solme.
Yeah, he's so passionate. He named it.
And no, even we have Solme, Ginde, all those in Siri Pardana. We get those names. Yeah, Siri. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Solme is a ancient name. Yeah. Okay then.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks
you so
everybody.
much.
Thanks.
All
Bye.
right, thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Americade onji tulukuta bodhi tinde. Americade onji tulukuta bodhi tinde. Akhila America